GPS surveyors play a crucial role in conducting accurate and precise surveys in various locations. One such location is Sadar Bazar in Delhi, which is known for its bustling markets and vibrant atmosphere. GPS surveyors in Sadar Bazar utilize advanced technology and equipment to gather data and create detailed maps of the area. These professionals use GPS, Global Positioning System, devices to determine precise coordinates and measurements, allowing them to accurately map out the terrain, buildings, and infrastructure in Sadar Bazar. Sadar Bazar is a commercial hub in Delhi, attracting a large number of people for shopping and business purposes. With its narrow lanes and crowded markets, conducting surveys manually can be a challenging task. However, with the help of GPS surveyors, the process becomes much more efficient and accurate. These professionals use GPS devices to record the exact location of various landmarks, shops, and buildings in Sadar Bazar, enabling businesses and local authorities to make informed decisions based on reliable data. One of the key advantages of using GPS surveyors in Sadar Bazar is the ability to capture real-time data. Traditional surveying methods often rely on manual measurements and sketches, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. However, with GPS technology, surveyors can collect data instantly and with great precision. This allows for faster turnaround times and reduces the likelihood of mistakes or discrepancies in the survey results. Whether it's measuring the dimensions of a building or mapping out the boundaries of a plot of land, GPS surveyors in Sadar Bazar ensure that their data is accurate and up-to-date. Another important aspect of GPS surveying in Sadar Bazar is its application in urban planning and infrastructure development. With accurate survey data, urban planners can make informed decisions regarding the layout of roads, parks, and other public spaces in Sadar Bazar. This helps in optimizing the usage of available land and resources, leading to better infrastructure development and improved quality of life for the residents. Moreover, GPS surveyors play a vital role in identifying potential areas for redevelopment or renovation, ensuring that Sadar Bazar continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of its residents. In conclusion, GPS surveyors are instrumental in conducting surveys in Sadar Bazar, Delhi. Their use of advanced technology and equipment allows for accurate and real-time data collection, making them indispensable for various purposes such as urban planning, infrastructure development, and business decision-making. With their expertise, GPS surveyors ensure that Sadar Bazar remains a vibrant and thriving commercial hub while also facilitating its growth and development in a sustainable manner. In the bustling city of Delhi, Sadar Bazar stands out as one of the oldest and busiest marketplaces. Known for its wholesale trade, it attracts countless vendors and shoppers from across the city and beyond. With its narrow lanes and crowded alleys, navigating through Sadar Bazar can be a challenging task, especially for surveyors looking to gather accurate data. However, with the advent of GPS technology, surveyors now have a reliable tool at their disposal